Hey guys, Tarun here from Miners Gateway. So I was testing the TRex miner version 0.26.4. So I had tested this particular version of TRex miner, and if you see, I have been running through some stability issues, right? So this I have seen. I kept this rig on TRex miner just to test, and the other rig that I have. I tested that on NB Miner version 42, not 42.1, 42. 42.1 was something that I changed today morning, and you know even 42 had a lot of glitches. Looks like 42.1. I made the change at 10 a.m. today morning. Has been running smoothly without any issues or concerns. When it comes to LHR unlock. So both NB Miner and TRex Miner versions have had issues, and they have been showing some major instability problems. This is a very good example of that. And because of this issue, even my town coin mining got impacted. But that's okay. That's our primary focus here is on Ethereum mining, and if you look, there have been some major stability issues with even NB Miner version 42.1, 42, sorry, not 42.1. My bad, guys. It's version 42 that has a problem. And I've updated it to 42.1 today morning, and it looks to be working fine without any concerns. This is too early to make a call, but considering the fact that it has been running all right for so long. Let's keep an eye out for it and fingers crossed that it continues to be stable while mining for a longer durations of time. Whereas with TRex miner, this is what I'm seeing. If you see the error, right, it is giving me the PCID to be 004. I'm guessing that this is due to uh, you know the miner having an issue with the LHR card, version 1 LHR card. If I look, this particular error was seen on PCID 5 as well. That is, where is that? I saw it in one of the errors here. Yes. Okay. If you look, this error was seen in one of the on the PCI ID 5 device 5. So that is in this case the LHR card V1 RTX3060, and after that it has been running, and again I'm seeing issues after a duration of 5-6 hours. So what I'm going to do is right now I'm going to update this to the latest version of NB Miner, and then I'm going to switch the flight sheet to NB Miner latest version to see how that works, and it will do the rest of the testing. So far on the other rig that I have, that is this particular one, which has most of my LHR cards. It has been running for about good 4 hours, 4-5 hours, right? And no concerns here. So hopefully it should continue to mine. But I will keep an eye out for it for the next 24 to 48 hours to see how this works, and how stable mining is with these LHR unlock cards, right? So okay, looks like this is completed um, the update, and let me just check. Okay. For this is a shell in the box. So here the username is always user, and the password is number 1. So let's see. Okay, no miner running. All right, flight sheet has been taken care. Let me make the changes on the flight sheet, guys. Give me 1 second. Right, edit. Let's remove TRex. Put this here. Let me change this to NB miner update. And once that is done, we're going to update this flight sheet. Once that is done, let's take a look. Where do we stand? Let's see. Okay, it's downloading the miner. All right, it is login succeeded. Great. So it is building the DAC file. The interesting part is if you look right, it gives you the version of the LHR as well. It says version 1 LHR in the new NB miner, and it is also giving the vendor of the RAM. So that is the GPU memory, and yep, and it is said enable LHR unlocker. That's done. Let's see what is the hash rate that we get. Here also it gives you the vendor name. If you look at the table here where I've highlighted, so it says Hynix HY, Micron, and Samsung. So looks like they've done a pretty good job of adding these features in the NB Miner version 42.1. And right guys, looks like we have hit 50.12 megahash on the LHR V1 card. So the overclocks is 1650 and 2800 is the overclock. That is the core I'm running at 1650 and the memory at 2800. So it's drawing about 110. That is on the software, but that's again not the accurate number that we'll be looking at. We'll be actually looking at more of what do you call it on the wall draw. So I do not have watt meter because each of my rigs are connected to a smart plug, and I pull the readings, the actual readings from those smart plugs actually. So I do not have something a display to showcase this. So maybe if I am able to pull a screenshot of from my watt meter to see what these this is drawing at a real time, I will put that here in this video in a corner about the power draw of this particular rig, how much it is drawing, and the other rig as well, which has my 4 LHR cards. So for now I will let this mine. Let me see how this goes, and what is the temperatures that we are hitting, and what is the how is the stability of this rig with NB Miner 42.1. And for now I have switched all my rigs to NB Miner 42.1, and I'm going to continue to test that. So that is all I have for this video. So as usual, if you like my content, and if you like what I do, please hit that like button and subscribe. That will help me a lot. You'll be supporting me in the long run as well, and you'll keep me motivated in doing contents, bringing in more contents for you guys. So until the next video, you guys take care, stay safe, and I'll speak to you all in the next video. Bye bye.